Alright guys, so this is Nature Walk episode 3, I believe. Today we're going to be focusing on spider webs, or not today, but like this video we're focusing on spider webs because there's quite a lot of cool little spider webs around here. So yeah, right there, spider web attaching to a weed that makes like a tower formation. Look at that. It's like the Eiffel Tower, and then there's just that one, just a plain old flat one. Let's see. Where is something else? Spider web. Cool, but yeah. Whoa, look at this branch. I don't think we're going to be focusing on spider webs the whole time because there's just some really cool random things like that branch. Look at that tall tree. Oh. But yeah, over here, so where did Eiffel Tower go? Eiffel Tower's right there. There's a bunch of little cotton webs right there, spider webs filled with cotton. And then next to Eiffel Tower, I didn't show you this, but there's like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Look at that though. It's kind of beautiful. And tell me how many spiders you spot this video when I zoom in on the spider webs at least. Is there a spider in that one? Because I don't see any. What about that? Alright, there's a web right there. Just plain old web. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm doing this all at a garage sale. There's that big barn over there has a garage sale in it. Can't tell you where because I don't want to. What is that? That's kind of creeping me out. That looks like an egg of something, but do you think there's a bird's nest up there? Yeah, web after web. Look at all of those, if you can even see them, yeah. Right there, look at that, that's all one big web. All the way back to right there. And then I can tell over here is where the spiders like the most because look at this. Wow. This is just like Web Central, isn't it? Chicken. 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 Chicky, chicky, chicky. Chicky, chicky, chicken. Look at me. Hello there, buddy. Alright, we'll see you in thanks for watching Nature Walk 3, this is. Yeah, thanks for watching Nature Walk 3. I've been having so much fun making these, and goodbye.